This 3-in-1 portable high chair works as a full-height seat, a toddler chair, and a booster, so it keeps up with a growing child instead of being outgrown in a few months. The wide cushioned seat feels roomy and comfortable for babies and toddlers, and the soft, wipe-friendly upholstery gives it a more polished look than many plastic-only designs. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to the smooth surfaces, removable tray, and machine-washable safety belt, which all help keep sticky messes from becoming a chore. The chair feels reassuringly sturdy with solid legs, tight joint connections, and a secure 5-point harness that keeps energetic little ones well contained at the table. Its folding design and relatively light build make it easy to carry to grandparents, restaurants, or vacations without needing a separate travel seat. Tool-free assembly that comes together in just a few minutes makes it practical for busy parents who want a flexible high chair without complicated setup.